Act as though you are already what you want to become, and the world will respond accordingly. Neville Goddard. Imagine for a moment that you possess the power to shape every aspect of your reality with the sheer force of your will and imagination. This is not merely a thought experiment. It is a profound truth that can be unlocked through the understanding of your true nature and the application of this knowledge in your daily life. Acting as if you are the creator of your own world isn't about assuming a false persona. It is about recognizing and harnessing your inherent power to influence and direct the course of your life. In exploring this concept, it's crucial to understand that the idea of acting as if you are God is deeply rooted in the recognition of your own creative power. This power is not about controlling others or the external world, but rather about mastering your own thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. By aligning these inner elements with the outcomes you desire, you effectively transform your external circumstances. This alignment requires a shift in perspective, seeing yourself not just as a participant in life, but as the very architect of your experience. When you begin to act as if you are the ultimate creator of your reality, you start by reshaping your inner dialogue. Your thoughts are not just fleeting moments of consciousness, they are the very fabric of the reality you experience. Every thought you entertain is a seed planted in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind, which will grow into the conditions and events of your life. By consciously choosing thoughts that align with your desired outcomes, you create a powerful force for change. Consider how you would think, speak, and act if you truly believed you had the power to shape your entire world. This involves adopting a mindset of confidence and certainty. If you believe that you are in control of your destiny, you will naturally begin to act in ways that reflect this belief. Your actions will become more deliberate and purposeful, guided by the conviction that you are steering the course of your own life. The next step is to align your emotions with your thoughts and actions. Emotions are the fuel that propels your thoughts into manifestation. If you think positively but feel doubt or fear, the energy you emit will be conflicted, causing mixed results. Instead, practice generating emotions that match your desired outcomes. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if your goals have already been achieved. This emotional alignment strengthens the power of your thoughts and accelerates the manifestation process. Acting as if you are the creator also involves taking responsibility for your experiences. It's easy to blame external circumstances or other people for your challenges, but true empowerment comes from acknowledging that you are the source of your experiences. By taking full responsibility, you shift from a position of victimhood to one of control and agency. This shift allows you to address challenges with a proactive mindset, seeking solutions and making adjustments as needed. One of the most powerful aspects of acting as if you are the creator of your reality is the practice of visualization. Visualization is not just daydreaming. It is a deliberate and focused exercise in imagining the outcomes you wish to bring into your life. Create vivid, detailed mental images of your desired achievements and immerse yourself in the sensations and emotions associated with them. The more real and vivid these images become, the more influence they have over your subconscious mind, which in turn affects your external reality. Another key element is the affirmation of your creative power. Affirmations are statements that reinforce your belief in your ability to shape your world. Regularly affirming your strengths and abilities helps to reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones. These affirmations should be positive, present tense, and aligned with your desired outcomes. By repeating them consistently, you gradually shift your mindset and align more closely with your goals. In addition to affirmations, surrounding yourself with supportive influences can further enhance your ability to act as if you are the creator of your reality. This means engaging with people, environments, and resources that encourage and reinforce your sense of empowerment. Seek out communities, mentors, and tools that resonate with your goals and values. The energy and support you receive from these sources will amplify your own efforts and help maintain your focus on your desired outcomes. Living as if you are the creator of your reality also requires a commitment to personal growth. This means continuously expanding your understanding of yourself and your capabilities. Pursue knowledge and experiences that challenge and inspire you. Growth often comes from stepping outside of your comfort zone and confronting areas where you may have previously felt limited. By thinking about growth and learning, you reinforce your sense of empowerment and creativity. When we talk about acting as if you are the creator of your own reality, it's important to explore the depth of how your beliefs and perceptions shape your experiences. This approach goes beyond mere visualization or affirmations. It's about fundamentally transforming your internal landscape to align with your highest potential. The process begins with acknowledging the power of your subconscious mind. The subconscious is a reservoir of beliefs, memories, and experiences that significantly influence your perceptions and actions. By working consciously to reshape these underlying beliefs, you can create a more powerful and coherent vision of your desired reality. This involves identifying and challenging any negative or limiting beliefs that may reside in your subconscious. Techniques such as self-reflection, journaling, and guided introspection can help uncover these hidden beliefs. Once identified, you can actively replace them with empowering beliefs that align with your goals. Another crucial aspect is to understand the law of assumption. This principle states that assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled will lead to its manifestation. It's not enough to simply want something or visualize it. You must genuinely believe and feel as though it has already been achieved. This assumption changes your state of being, which then reflects in your actions and interactions. By living in the state of your wish fulfilled, you align your thoughts and actions with your desired outcome, creating a natural path for it to materialize. To further enhance your ability to act as if you are the creator, engage in practices that elevate your vibration and energy. Your vibrational state plays a critical role in how effectively you manifest your desires. Activities such as meditation, mindfulness, and positive affirmations can help raise your vibrational frequency. When you maintain a high vibrational state, you attract experiences and opportunities that resonate with this elevated energy. This alignment accelerates the manifestation process and brings your goals into clearer focus. Additionally, consider the role of persistence and consistency in your manifestation journey. Acting as if you are the creator requires ongoing effort and dedication. It's not about occasional bursts of enthusiasm, but about maintaining a steady and consistent focus on your desired outcomes. This means regularly engaging in practices that support your goals, revisiting and reinforcing your beliefs, and staying committed even when challenges arise. Persistence ensures that your efforts remain aligned with your intentions, leading to more consistent and reliable results. Another important factor is the practice of detachment. While it's essential to be focused on your goals, it's equally important to release any attachment to the outcome. This doesn't mean giving up on your desires, but rather trusting the process and allowing things to unfold naturally. Detachment helps in reducing anxiety and resistance, which can hinder your progress. By maintaining a balanced approach, you create a more harmonious alignment between your intentions and the universe's response. Practice gratitude and appreciation for the journey you are on. Recognize and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is present and working in your favor. This positive focus attracts more of the same into your life, reinforcing your belief in your creative power and the abundance that surrounds you. By incorporating these practices into your life, you can fully embody the concept of acting as if you are the creator of your reality. This process is not about pretending to be something you are not, but about acknowledging and harnessing the true power within you. As you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcomes, you create a reality that reflects your deepest aspirations and desires. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine can further enhance your manifestation efforts. By focusing on what you already have and expressing appreciation, you foster a mindset of abundance. This shift in perspective not only supports your manifesting abilities, but also enriches your overall experience. By following these principles and techniques, you align yourself with the creative force that shapes your reality. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions work together to create a powerful force that brings your desires to life. This understanding opens up a realm of possibilities and empowers you to take charge of your experiences. If you found this content valuable, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us create more content that can assist you in your journey. Click the thumbs up if you enjoyed what you learned today. Don't miss out on future videos by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Share this video with friends who might benefit from these insights. And if you have any questions or thoughts, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more inspiring content.